Trae Young was in the arena hours before the game putting up shots. Hawks have gotten off to a rough start this season. And check out Trae Young from the logo splash in the first quarter. No hesitation. That is hilarious. Second half, the lob pass to John Collins, and what a game he had, you'll see later. Transition for the Hornets. They're going to knock down a three as well to tie the game momentarily. One more three to go. Monk made it splash 7 times off the bench. He had 26 points. It's a 1-point game. And Bazemore attacks the rim. A minute is left. And it's Kemba with the dance moves from mid-range. He gives the Hornets the lead in the clutch. 10 seconds. Who are they going to give it to? Bazemore just going to cross over, go to the basket. He lays it off the glass. It's a 1-point game with 4.6 seconds. They're going to inbound to Kemba. Of course, he slashes, attacks. He gets rejected by John Collins. That is a floater that gets stopped, a game-saving block. DeRozan out of control. He gets rejected. I can't throw the lob, unfortunately. Ooh, I got him leaning. Oh! Back at it. The ankle breaker to poster combo. I don't think I've done that yet this season. Have I broken ankles and then thrown it down on somebody?